He would not be a husband in the physical sense,
Your back.
but a guardian,
In
a
front of
protector
you.
of Mary's virginity.
Your back.
Thus
In
Joseph
front.
brought Mary to his home in Nazareth.
Right,
Upon
left, right,
arriving,
left,
he showed
right,
her
right.
great hospitality and then went to his carpenter's workshop. Mary
Right,
was
left,
left
right,
alone,
left.
weaving. Suddenly a light filled the room.
Ooh.
It was the archangel Gabriel,
having a lot of
and he
fun.
proclaimed, "Greetings, you who are
That is why I
highly
kept
favored.
on telling you,
The
Mom, you
Lord
should
is
get
with
a
you.
cat because it's
Blessed
kind
are
of
you
fun.
among women." Mary was filled with fear, but the angel reassured her and unveiled God's plan. Do not be afraid, Mary, for you have found favor with God. You will conceive and give birth to a son, and you shall name him Jesus. He will be great, and will be called the Son of the Most High, and the Lord God will give him the throne of David, his father. Mary, in purity and simplicity, replied, "How can this
No,
be? For
no,
I am
no,
a
no, no,
virgin."
you don't do that.
Then
You don't
Gabriel
eat that.
exclaimed, "The Holy Spirit will come
You have to
upon
play
you,
with the
and
stick.
the
Come
power
on.
of the Most High
No.
will
No,
overshadow
Snowy,
you.
no.
Therefore,
Snowy,
the Holy One to be
Snowy.
born will be called the Son of God. And behold, your
Her name
relative
is so cute.
Elizabeth has also
And
conceived
her
a
face
son
is so
in her
cute.
old age. This is the 6th month for her who was called barren, for nothing is impossible with God. Then Mary, in her youth, bowed her
Don't
heart
scare you.
and spoke the words that changed the course of the world. Behold, I am the Lord's servant. Let it be to me according to your word. And so the angel
Mom is so
departed.
cute.
The promise was
She's
sealed.
she's
Mary
trying to
remained
get in the
pondering what had
sleeping
happened.
spot, but
A
she
few hours
can't.
passed, and then she heard a noise. It was Joseph coming home. When he arrived,
Boom,
Mary,
boom, boom,
with
bada
a mix
boom.
of fear and faith,
Snowy in
told
front,
what had
in
happened.
front, left,
Joseph then
right, left,
grasped the
right,
difficulty
left,
of it
right,
all.
left,
How could
right.
he explain to the priests that Mary
Stop.
was pregnant? They would think he had broken his
Stop.
vow. He saw only two options. Should he say he was the
No,
baby's
Snowy.
father, or should he tell them Mary had been with another man? And this is where we come to Mary's
People will be
next
like,
hidden secret.
why did you get a cat?
Joseph considered leaving her quietly. In the Gospel of Matthew we read, "This is how the birth of Jesus Christ happened. Mary, his mother, was betrothed to Joseph. Before they came together, she was found to be with child by the Holy Spirit. Joseph, her husband, being a righteous man and unwilling to shame her, decided to leave her quietly." This verse reveals something few people know. Why did Joseph consider leaving Mary secretly? Mary was pregnant by the Holy Spirit, and Joseph had to make a hard choice. The first option was to accept the child as his own. But if he took responsibility for the pregnancy, he would lose standing in the community for appearing to have dishonored a young woman who had consecrated herself to God. On top of that, people would say he had offended God by failing to honor a virgin devoted to him. But the second option was
Oh
even
no.
worse. If Joseph stood before the priests and swore he had kept himself pure, Mary would be the one exposed for breaking her promise of virginity and having relations with another man. That would bring terrible consequences of adultery. And what happened to adulterous women in those days? In Israel, marital fidelity was foundational. Under Jewish law, pregnancy outside of marriage could be punished even by death. And although the death penalty for adultery was rarely enforced by them, the social rejection and stigma were very real. That was the grim future awaiting Mary if Joseph did not step in as the baby's father.
Come on, Snowy,
Mary's
go.
future hung by a thread,
Go.
and Joseph was the one holding it. In those days, most men would have been ruled by pride and refused to suffer an insult to their honor. Any other man would have exposed Mary's supposed unfaithfulness,
Can you write her name
and she would
using
have
that
been
stick?
stoned. But Joseph had a great heart. He was a gentle
Oh
man,
no.
and
Can
he
you just
respected
wrote an
Mary and
S?
the baby in his arms. Joseph could not allow harm
No,
to
she
come
not
to a
used to.
woman, even if she had